Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here again. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. So maybe you saw my last two paintings and they were monochrome paintings. So the last one I did, I wanted a white base, but when I blew it out with the monochrome colors, it just didn't work. So I scraped it all together and the base became a gray color. Well, that turned out very pretty, I must say, but now I have a dark base, a black base, I have a gray base, and where's the white base? Well, we're gonna make it today, so let's paint. Okay, so my last video, it didn't go as planned. I wanted to create a white base because before that I made a black base with monochrome colors. I ended up not liking the pour, and so what happened was I scraped it all together and it became this beautiful gray color. So that was okay because I wanted monochrome colors and gray is a monochrome color as well. But now I have two beautiful paintings and I think it would be great to have a set of three with a gradient in monochrome color. So again, I'm trying the white base, so let's see if I won't end up with a gray base today. So the last time when I did this pour, I lost the center, so there was not a beautiful center present. Of course, that's something we want to have today. And I'm just pouring the same colors. I really hope this works, otherwise I end up with a gray base again and I don't want that. Okay, so that should be enough. I will pour this time white around the puddle because I think last time something went bad with that. And are you guys noticing that I'm not fluting the puddle anymore? For these kind of spinning paintings, I just love the immediate blowout effect. So let's start blowing, right? Alright, super weird blowout. I feel like I need to blow a little bit more towards there because otherwise it's not gonna spin out great, I think. So just like that. So we kept the center part this time and I'm gonna torch it. Okay, so not a lot of cells this time, but this looks promising. So I'm gonna spin this. Well, this is looking good to me. Yeah, this flower petal is beautiful. Also here, I'm loving this. But then again, here, I'm not a fan of how that's looking. But I don't want to spin it out a lot more because then I'm probably losing that. But I think I can also settle on this. Maybe just taking one little part off. This worked out great, by the way. Ooh, almost my hair in the paint, did you see it? That does look better now. Yeah, this is beautiful. Ah, can't wait to see them all together. Try. This is a great set. And in the end it went super fast. And the fun thing is I blew them out just totally different than I do normally. I have a very distinct way, I feel like, or at least I see that, of blowing out my paint. And with all these three, I did it totally different. But when spinning this out, yeah, it creates a gorgeous Dutch pour. Okay, let me bring you up to the close-ups and the dry results of all these three together.